The Peltier controller TEC28V15A is used for driving a TEC at high efficiency for regulating the object temperature precisely. It comes with the world's first built-in smart auto PID control microprocessor, which continuously senses and compensates for the thermal load automatically. There is also no need to use any external components to create a compensation network, nor is there any tuning involved. It has many features: high output voltage 28 volts, high output current 15 amps. Dimensions include 35.96 millimeters in length by 35.96 millimeters in width by 8.2 millimeters in height. It also provides these functions: low thermistor injection current, continuous bidirectional output, programmable output current and voltage limits, real-time temperature, current, and voltage signals, and selectable temperature sensor types including thermistors, RTD, or temperature sensor IC. This video shows how to use high voltage, high current TEC controller TEC28V15A and its evaluation board. Here we need the following items: power supply, oscilloscope, load, multimeter, TEC controller, and its evaluation board. First, connect the wires to the evaluation board. Connect the power supply, oscilloscope, multimeter, and load to the corresponding pins of the evaluation board. Second, power on. The voltage of the power supply is 12 volts. The working mode of the evaluation board is DC temperature sampling. Turn on the S1 switch. Turn on the middle button of the S1 switch and make sure the SBDN voltage is 2.2 volts. Set the temperature. Adjust the potentiometer to set the TMS pin voltage to 0.5 volts, which stands for 17.5 degrees Celsius. At this time, the room temperature is 26.4 degrees Celsius and the product starts to cool down. Monitor the output temperature. Change the red lead of the multimeter from TMS pin to TMO pin. At this time, the reading of the multimeter is 0.5 volts. Observe the waveform. Connect the two probes of the oscilloscope to TMO and IDR pins respectively. You can see the waveforms of these two pins on the oscilloscope. If the waveforms are all straight lines, it is good. If they are not straight lines, adjust the compensation network below. Measure the temperature difference. Change the black lead of the multimeter from GND to TMS, and the red lead is at TMO pin. Observe the reading of the multimeter, which is close to 0 volts. It means that the TMO pin and the TMS pin have the same voltage, which proves the output temperature is the same as the set temperature. Test the temperature. Test the temperature of the cold end of the equipment. Then test the room temperature. If you want to know more about our products, please visit our website www.analogtechnologies.com.